Hello, everyone. My beautiful English learners. I'm Emma. Thank you so much for being here with me today. You make my day brighter. Just by choosing to learn English, I see you in the comments. I see you working hard every day. You are amazing. Your English journey makes me so happy. Can I ask you something? You are such a hard worker. You study English every week. Maybe you learn 10 words, maybe 20. But here's what makes me sad. Next week, you remember only 2 or 3 words. The other words, they disappear. This is not your fault. Your brain is not broken. You just need the right way to remember. Today, I want to give you 5 special gifts. These are 5 easy ways to remember English words forever. Why am I sharing these? Because you deserve to succeed. You work so hard. You should see results. These ways are simple. They work. My students love them. Now it's your turn to love them too. By the end of this video, you'll never forget English words again. Promise. Oh, and don't forget to shadow with me. Repeat everything I say. This will train your mouth, ears, and brain at the same time. Ready? Let's dive in. First way, turn every word into a story. Your brain loves stories. Stories are easy to remember. Let's try the word hungry. It means you want to eat. Don't just say hungry, hungry, hungry. Boring. Make a story instead. Yesterday, I was very hungry. I didn't eat breakfast. My stomach was hungry. I went to a restaurant. Now I'm not hungry anymore. See, now hungry has a story. You can remember it. Let's try excited. It means very happy about something. Your story? I was excited about my birthday party. All my friends came. I felt excited all day. When I got presents, I was so excited. Now you try. Think about when you felt excited. Make your story. Practice time. Say with me, I was hungry, so I ate pizza. I'm excited about learning English. Good job. Remember, every word needs a story. Second way, move your body when you learn words. Your body helps your brain remember better. The word is jump. It means to go up in the air with your feet. Don't just say jump. Do this. Jump up and down. Say, I jump when I'm happy. Do it again. Feel your body moving. Your brain remembers this feeling. The word is push. It means to move something away from you. Push with your hands. Say, I push the door to open it. Feel it in your arms. The word is clap. It means to hit your hands together. Clap your hands. Say, I clap when I like something. Now you try. Do the actions with me. Jump and say, I jump. Push and say, I push. Clap and say, I clap. Great! Your body is helping your brain learn. Third way, connect words to your feelings. Happy feelings stay in your brain for a long time. Sad feelings too, but boring feelings, they go away fast. So let's make every word have a feeling. A word is happy. It means feeling good. Think, when do you feel happy? With friends? When you eat good food? When you learn something new? Say, I feel happy when I speak English well. Feel that good feeling inside. That's how you remember. The word is worried. It means thinking something bad might happen. When do you feel worried? Before tests? Before job interviews? Say, I feel worried before important meetings. Feel that feeling. Don't be afraid of it. Use it to remember. The word is proud. It means feeling good about something you did. Think, what makes you feel proud? Your family? Your English learning? Say, I'm proud when I help other people. Feel that warm feeling. That's how you remember forever. Practice time. Tell me, I feel happy when. I feel worried when. I feel proud when. Remember, boring words die. Words with feelings live forever. Fourth way, make words musical and fun. Your brain loves music. That's why you remember songs from when you were little but forget yesterday's lesson. Let's turn words into music. The word is giggle. It means to laugh in a quiet, happy way. Listen to the sound. Giggle, giggle, giggle. It sounds like laughing. The word teaches itself. Now make it musical.
Giggle, giggle when I'm happy. Giggle, giggle when I play.
A word is whisper. It means to speak very quietly. Say it quietly. Whisper, whisper, whisper. Feel how the word sounds like what it means. Make it fun. Whisper, whisper in the library. Whisper, whisper. Don't be loud. A word is splash. It means the sound of water hitting something. Say it like water. Splash, splash, splash. Make it musical. Splash, splash in the swimming pool. Splash, splash. So cool. Your turn. Say these words like music. Giggle, giggle, giggle. Whisper, whisper, whisper. Splash, splash, splash. Try this with any word. Make it musical. Make it fun. Your brain will remember the sound forever. Fifth way. Use new words today, not tomorrow. This is the most important rule. Your brain is like a cleaner. If you don't use a word today, your brain says, "This word is not important. I will throw it away." But if you use the word today, your brain says, "Oh, this word is important. I will keep it." Here's what happens. Today, you learn a new word. Tomorrow, If you didn't use it today, it's gone. But if you used it today, your brain keeps it forever. So here's your challenge. When you learn a new word today, use it today. The word is tired. It means you need to rest. Use it today. Say it 3 times. I am tired. I am tired. I am tired. Write it. I feel tired after work. Think about it. When am I usually tired? After today. The word stays in your brain. Easy ways to use words today. Say it out loud. Write it in your phone. Send a message using the word. Think about it before you sleep. Remember, use it today or lose it forever. Practice now. Pick one word from today's lesson. Say it 3 times. Let's remember our 5 ways. Make a story. Every word gets a story. Use your body. Move when you learn. Feel the word. Connect words to feelings. Make it musical. Turn words into fun sounds. 24-hour rule. Use words today. Plus the 3-2-1 daily challenge. Let's practice all 5 ways with the word smile. Story. I smile when I see my friends. They make me happy. I always smile in photos. Body. Smile now. Feel your face muscles. Feeling. Think about when you smile. Feel happy. Sound. Smile, smile, smile. Big smile, happy smile. 24-hour rule. Use smile 3 times today. Perfect! You're doing amazing! Remember, you don't need to use all 5 ways for every word. Choose 2 or 3 that work best for you. The secret isn't studying harder, it's studying smarter. You did amazing today. You learned 5 simple ways to remember English words forever. Let's review one more time. Make stories. Use your body. Feel the words. Make them musical. Use them today. The secret is don't wait until tomorrow. Use your new words today. Your brain is amazing. Give it stories, feelings, sounds, and movement. But most important, use everything today. I'm Emma from Speak English Daily. If this video helped you, please click subscribe and ring that notification bell. Your support means the world to me. Your homework. Pick one word from today. Use it 3 times before you sleep tonight. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. And most importantly, have fun with English. See you next time. Stay confident, stay curious, and keep smiling with English. Bye, everyone.